So for today, I am going to teach you on how to create an Epic Games account in your mobile device. But in this case, I will teach you on how to do it in iOS or iPhone. But just do it if you're using an Android. It also has the same steps. So you better do it. So after opening your web browser, in this case, I chose Safari, but you can choose other web browser. After that, search for the Epic Games. Once you click on that, you will redirect to this page. And as you can see, you will see three lines located at the top right corner of your screen beside the install button. So you just have to click on the three lines. Once you're in, you will see the sign in button located at the top right corner as well. Just have to click on that. And once you click the sign in button, this will pop up on your screen, which is the sign in and the create account. You will click the sign in if you already have an account and you wanted to log it in. But if you don't have an account, just click the create account since I will be teaching you on how to do it. So once you click the create account, Epic Games will ask for your informations for you to able to create an Epic Games account. Like for example, this one, the date of birth, as well as the email address, or they ask for your number, or just simply giving OTP to your email address and verify it. And that's how you create an Epic Games account.